Told me you love me.
Hello everyone, I've got my hydro flask. I'm such a college kid now. Well, welcome back to my channel. I haven't talked to you guys in so long. But today, I'm going to be doing a college makeup routine or everyday college get ready with me. I don't know. Today is Sunday. It's one of those lazy Sundays. And I'm vlogging today, which I haven't done since like move-in weekend, I want to say. But I don't really have like big plans for today. I think later on though, like at night, my friends and I might be doing something. And we might go out to eat. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for the day just to, you know, just for the sake of getting ready. Put my hair behind my ears. This is the Glam Glow Volcanic Matte Glow Moisturizer, by the way. I am running out of all of my skincare products all at once. So like my face wash, my morning face wash is almost gone. This moisturizer is almost gone. The moisturizer that I use at night is almost gone. And oh, I have like a cleanser that's like still pretty okay, but it's gonna run out definitely within this or next month. I will be filming a dorm tour fairly soon. I believe I'm gonna film that on Tuesday. I'm gonna put on my concealer. I've just been doing this to my entire face really. I don't really have like a rhyme or reason to it. It's just coverage, I guess, and I don't really feel like putting foundation all over my face, you know, when it's just a quick makeup day. But I do try to spread it as much as I can. Okay, so I'm taking the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Oh, it's a lot. And I'm gonna take my mirror on this side and try to blend this out best as I can. If you guys have any questions about living in dorms and stuff, feel free to ask like in the comments down below, because I got a call from one of my lovely well, she's now a senior in high school, friends from high school, and she has like a bunch of questions on like college apps and like all that kind of stuff. So if you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask. And maybe I'll do like an entire college Q&A because I love watching those, and I'm sure other people would benefit from that. Taking the Laura Mercier translucent powder all over my face. And then next I'll go in with a little bit of bronzer. I've been using either these two. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette, and this is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I'll just take like the tiniest bit of this and just hit the bottom of the cheeks. Blend, blend, blend. Take it up towards the temples. I kind of sound sick. I'm sorry. I swear I'm not sick. My voice is just weird. Urban Decay is a 48 hour? Nope, just 8-hour Afterglow Powder Blush in Fetish. Just a little bit on the cheeks. I'm taking the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter today. It depends on the day which one I'll use. I have 3, so get that on my brush. I've been doing quite a strong highlight, I'd say. Stronger than like, well, I didn't really wear that much makeup in high school, but stronger than like just a natural hint of glow. I really want to go get my eyebrows done or find tools to like do them myself, because my brows are looking atrocious and there's just so much like extraneous hair everywhere that it's getting on my nerves. I don't know, I thought I brought like a flamingo, which is like an eyebrow shaper kind of a thing, but I can't find it. And then moving on to eyeshadow, I've been using the Urban Decay Born This Way lately. I have quite a few eyeshadow palettes actually here with me, but I've just been using this because it's so beautiful. So I have been using the color Weekender, which is this one right here. Yes, this one. And I've been putting that literally all over the lids, everywhere. Hello, now we're nice and up close. So I've been just putting that literally all over. Is this color right here, this like warm pukey brown color, I don't know. And I'm gonna focus that on the outer half, but also in the crease. And then when it's not blended like this, I'm gonna take a thicker brush like so and start to blend out the edges. I'm gonna take the color Stranded, which is the second color right here. And notice how I've just been like only sticking to the first row. Well, this is an everyday look, okay? So, whatever. But I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. Just kind of dabbing it on there. So now it doesn't look that dark, but yeah. Just gonna keep you guys somewhat zoomed in. I'm gonna use the same Riff color from before and just pop that right in the lower lash line. Alright, so my camera only has about 3 minutes of battery left, or memory left, but this is pretty much it now. I'm going to put on a lip color, which lately has just been anything. I'm gonna dab this on. This is the Sephora Lip Stories, and take a bite. And I'll literally just dab, dab, dab. Like so. It looks super bright on camera, just like everything else. So yeah, well that is it for my everyday makeup in college. I obviously don't put on like liner and lashes just because of my eyelash extensions. But yeah, this is the complete makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like my camera's gonna cut off at any second, so I am gonna go. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below any of your questions, suggestions for college videos, and etc. Wait for my dorm tour coming out very, very soon, and I am actually thinking of putting my vlogs on my main channel as well, just to have them all together. But who knows? So make sure to subscribe to find out and to watch more videos of mine, you know. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!